Ever tried to add a gradient to borders in Webflow and ended up feeling like you're auditioning for a circus? But don't worry, because we've got a simple solution for you. We wanted to add a gradient to input fields when they get focused. But here's the plot twist. There's no way to do this in Webflow directly. If you know of one, please, we're all ears. So, unleash the power of Webflow's custom properties, aka the thing you didn't know you needed until now. Add a border image as a property, then sprinkle in this magic value, linear gradient, to right. Fill in your favorite colors here. And yes, you can even use Webflow variables because we like to keep things fancy. Finally, add a 1 at the end. It's a slice value, not a cooking instruction. Want to geek out? Check out the MDN link in the comments section for all the nitty-gritty. And voila! Gradient borders with zero circus tricks. If you enjoyed this mini tutorial, do the usual, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thanks for watching it all the way through.